Green peas are a strong anti-cancer. Also, green peas are useful for freckles, prostate cancer, nosebleeds, anemia treatment, liver congestion, and varicose veins. The natural antioxidants in green peas such as flavonoids, catechin, epicatechin, carotenoid, and alpha-carotene are anti-aging and anti-wrinkle. Green peas are the friend of your heart. Green peas' antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds make the body's blood vessels healthy and prevent plaque formation in the vessels' walls. Green peas act like a mini antidepressant pill, except it's natural and delicious. Like okra, green peas are an anti-diabetic food. However, like any other food, if consumed too much, green peas have complications. For example, green peas are not useful for weak intestines, blood pressure, bladder, arteriosclerosis, cholesterol, thyroid disorders, intestinal ulcers, duodenum, prostatitis, and headache. In this video, we will first examine some of the side effects of green peas, and then we will present some treatment methods for overweight, stomach parasites, and epilepsy with green peas. Also, we introduce green pea side effect modifiers. Before continuing the video, please like the video and leave your comments at the end. To see more videos, please subscribe to the channel. Among the disadvantages of green peas, we can point out the lack of absorption of vitamins E and C, calcium, and iodine. For example, like other legumes, green peas contain chemical compounds called phytates. Phytates can bind with calcium and prevent the body from absorbing calcium. Therefore, consuming green peas in large quantities can lead to calcium absorption. To avoid this problem, you can consume green peas with other sources of calcium, such as dairy products or green vegetables, or cook and consume them with proper methods, which can reduce the amount of phytates and increase calcium absorption. Excessive consumption of green peas can increase the amount of uric acid in the body. As a result, you may get gout if you consume a lot of green peas. Green peas and other legumes contain a large amount of purine, which for some people can increase the level of uric acid in the blood and cause gout. Purine is a chemical compound that turns into uric acid in the body and increases the possibility of expanding its amount in the blood. If you or someone else has or is at risk for gout, you may want to limit your intake of legumes such as chickpeas or consult a nutritionist or doctor. Also, gout prevention includes drinking enough water, eating a healthy diet, and exercising regularly. Consuming green peas causes dryness of the spleen, so don't overdo it. Spleen dryness can reduce the function of the body's immune system and increase the risk of infections. To avoid this problem, you can consume green peas with proper rinsing and cooking methods more gently, or enrich their consumption with other mineral sources such as vegetables and fruits. How to lose weight. Consuming green pea juice causes weight loss. People who want to lose weight use a lot of green pea juice. Help to treat stomach parasites. Green pea juice has anti-alkaline properties, and if you soak green peas in vinegar overnight and drink it fasting and don't eat anything until noon, it will wash away your stomach parasites. Just be careful to drink this solution for several days in a row. Help to treat epilepsy. People who have epilepsy should cook peas, sprinkle cinnamon and insulin on them and consume them. It is useful for epilepsy. Green peas side effect modifiers: cumin, dill, thyme, cinnamon, ginger, and black pepper are among the modifiers of green peas. If you liked the video, like it and share it with others.